Good morning dear cadets. So in the previous video I taught you electric current, cell, terminals, bulb, fused bulb, reasons of fused bulb, so many things I taught you. Now today I am going to tell you electric circuit. Okay, so what is the electric circuit? Just see, if you would have been here only, I could have given you one project, and with the help of simple waste material we can design one circuit. Okay, just see, one thermocol sheet is needed, paper pin is needed, safety pin is needed, and one LED bulb and one cell. If these things are there, we can very easily assemble one electric circuit. Okay, so now since you are not there, you can do this activity at your home only. Just take one thermocol sheet and just cut this one into small piece, that much length. Okay, fit two paper pin, isn't it? Paper pin means with the help of, means that should be little bit broad pin, fix at two end. Okay, suppose this is thermocol sheet. Okay, just here one paper pin, here another one. Okay, just see, here one wire should be there, wire, fix here wire. Okay, now what should be there? Safety pin. You take one safety pin, this is safety pin. Okay, this is safety pin, no problem. Now here cell, one cell should be there. Okay, this is cell. Okay, now this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Wrap these wire around these terminals. Now what should be there? This side one electric bulb. What should be there? One electric bulb. Okay, now just see, your circuit, what to say, electric circuit is ready. So thermocol sheet, two paper pin, one safety pin, small copper wire, one LED bulb, and one cell. Cell is the device which generate energy, isn't it? And now your switch is ready. Now try to understand, this switch is in on position. Okay, so first question is, and this entire arrangement is an electric circuit. Okay, so what is the electric circuit? An electric circuit is the closed path for the flow of current between two terminals of the cell. These are the terminals of cell, positive terminal and negative terminals. So circuit is nothing but a closed path for the flow of current between two terminals of the cell. Okay, just try to understand, in electric circuit how many things are needed. In electric circuit basically these things are needed. One switch is needed, then what is needed? Switch is needed, one cell is needed, wire is needed, bulb is needed, that these many things. So just see, here bulb is energy user, cell is energy producer, and now those wires are medium for the flow of current, for the flow of charge or current. So an electric circuit consisted of basically one switch, now energy generator, that is cell, energy consumer, that is bulb, and wire. These are the simple things which are needed for the electric circuit. Okay, now electric circuit I made here. Just see, this is cell. Okay, now this is one terminal, this is positive terminal. What is this one? Positive terminal. What is this one? This is negative terminal. Okay, now here current is flowing, and here what is there? Bulb is there. What is this one? Bulb is there. So try to understand, when current flows, then only when current flows in entire circuit, then only bulb will glow. and current only flows when the circuit is complete or closed, or you can say when the switch is in on position. Okay, so now types of circuit. How many types of circuits? There are two types of circuit. First one is complete circuit, or switch is in on position. Second one is incomplete circuit, or switch is off position. Okay, so first one is complete circuit. What do you mean by complete circuit? What do you mean by complete circuit? A circuit is said to be complete when current is flown in the entire circuit and bulb glows. This will happen when switch is in the on position. This one is the simple diagram of complete circuit. Complete circuit. Okay, complete circuit. No problem at all. And this is in on position. Don't worry, I will make the off position circuit also. Don't worry. Okay, so this is the simple diagram of complete circuit. So when is the circuit said to be completed? When current flows in the entire circuit and bulb glows, and this will happen when switch is in off position. Circuit is only will be completed when switch is in on position. Okay, next one is incomplete circuit. So I wrote here only, just opposite of complete circuit is incomplete circuit. A circuit is said to be incomplete when current is not flown in the entire circuit and bulb does not glow. Now place was not there, so I wrote this side. It will happen when switch is in off position. You can make the diagram of incomplete circuit also. This is one small thermocol sheet. Now here one paper pin. Okay, now just see, make two wire here, copper wire. Okay, now here what is there? Here bulb, sorry, here cell, here add one, attach one bulb. Okay, okay, bulb this one. Okay, now here this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. This is negative terminal. Okay, and now just see, one more thing is there. Now just see, this is switch. What is this one? Switch. Now this switch is not touching this one. This switch is, just see the difference. This switch is completely touching both terminals or both pins. Okay, here just see, this one and this one. Here this is not touching, so this is incomplete circuit. What is this one? Incomplete circuit. Okay, incomplete circuit. No problem at all. So just try to understand here. There is a difference between complete circuit and incomplete circuit. In complete circuit, current flows in entire circuit, while in incomplete circuit, current does not flow in the entire circuit. One thing, in complete circuit, bulb glows. Incomplete circuit, bulb does not glow. Circuit is said to be complete when switch is in on position. The meaning of on position means this switch should, this is switch. Okay, this should touch both points. Here what is there? It is not touching both points. One point it is touching, other point it is not touching. Okay, these are the terminals only, and this is cell. What is this one? Cell. Okay, positive and negative terminals of the cell. So these are the basic difference between incomplete circuit. What is there? Switch is in on position. Here what is there? Off position. Off position. Okay, no problem at all. Yes, so this is the basic difference. These two diagram you have to make. So this is all about the electric circuit and their types. So okay dear cadets, now whatever things I taught today, I am writing the related questions. You have to write the answers of these questions. What is an electric circuit? Draw its diagram. Today only I have explained. Same thing you have to make. How many types of an electric circuit are there? Okay. What is complete circuit? What is incomplete circuit? Draw neat and label diagram of following. A simple switch. This is simple switch. Okay. This is simple switch. Okay. That diagram you have to make. An electric circuit with switch is in off position. This diagram is there. This is in off position because this is not connected with this terminal. Okay. Now, an electric circuit with a switch is in off position. This is the diagram. On position. Okay. This is switch. What is this one? Switch. Okay. So on position, off position. This is incomplete circuit. This is complete circuit. Okay. Now an electric circuit with switch is in on position. This is the diagram. Okay. Now as far as labeling is concerned, this is bulb. This is cell. These are the terminals. This is the switch. Okay. This is wire. Now you can label it easily. Next question is inside view of torch. This is there in NCERT book, page number 121, and I am showing also. This is the inside view of torch. Same diagram you have to make. In this way, today's class is over. Now the later part of this chapter is containing conductor, insulators. So we'll do one activity and we'll explain you. Okay. Thank you. I think all diagrams are visible to you now. Yes. Yes. Okay.